Greetings creatives, welcome to Adventure for Fadayz Designz. Today I'm going to open up some stuff. I'm really excited to get some new stuff, and I'm going to break down what it's for the most half, and then try it out and get back to you probably in a few episodes later. So first off, I have a new design that I need to make, and I believe these are the shirts for it. Yes. Actually, it's shirts for a few designs. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, so we have shirts for tape design, tape 3, and then we have shirts for one of my brother's other halves. Yeah. And then we have some extra baby blue shirts that I'm going to experiment on. So that's that. Then the next thing I have is, put that right there. Then we got, oh word, I know what this is. I believe this is new squeegee. For all of you who are watching this, do not cut towards yourself. So this right here is what I believe to be the best squeegee that I have used yet. Way better than the wooden squeegees that I have gotten so far. And this is the first one that has come complete. Got a little scratch on the back. Not too happy about that. Most of the time you have to put these together, but this is the first one that has come complete right out of the box. It's got a scratch on the back, not too happy about that. Yeah, but it's all good. It'll do the same thing. And then last but not least, I'm trying to step my game up, so I got some glitter paint, and that's gonna go with that t-shirt, one of the t-shirts that I just displayed. And this right here is for washing out designs or reclaiming designs. You definitely need this if you're going to be spraying all those crazy chemicals. And this is a mask. Comes with a bunch of different pieces. This is my first one. So you get all the pieces, filters, get the mask to throw your face. Bang! And you have goggles if you want to go skiing, or if you want to block your eyes from all that crazy stuff. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know. I'm still learning myself. If I know it, I'll tell you. If I don't, I'm not going to act like I do. Good luck for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Stay creative. Peace.